contradiction in relativity theory, and hence I'll be proving that the universe has a special reference frame. Then the null results of the Mitchell-Murray experiment, I'll be explaining them by postulating that what is constant in light speed is when light from an observer to a reflecting object, then back to the observer, the average speed measured should always be constant, but the speed at which light moves to the reflecting object can be slower or faster than that speed of light, and the return journey from the reflecting object to the observer, the light can be also faster or slower, and hence I'll be showing that the universe has only one special reference frame. So I'll be devising several debunking experiments. Make sure you subscribe and share the video so that I'll be sharing other videos. So the first example will be, if you imagine a rocket that is moving in the x-axis direction, that is the positive direction, at a speed of 0.8 c relative to observer x, then that rocket, now the rocket's inertial reference frame that moves at speed 0.8 c, we'll call it s prime. So relative to the rocket, now we launch mini rockets that are moving at 0.9 c along the positive x direction and negative x direction relative to s prime initial reference frame, that is according to an observer in the rocket. So at first I'll calculate the energy used to the energy that will be used to launch the rocket to make the rocket attain a speed of 0.9 c from the main rocket's inertial reference frame. So when I did the math, I found 2.29 mc squared will be the energy used to attain a speed of 0.9 c relative to the main rocket inertial reference frame. So the energy used in both the x direction, positive x direction, negative x direction, will be similar. Then we'll now calculate the energy according to an observer in the s inertial reference frame. That is, an observer who measures the speed of the rocket, the main rocket, as 0.8 c. So according to that observer, a speed of 0.9 c along the positive x direction will be 85 over 86 c. So so the energy consumed from 0.8 c, the previous, as in where the mini rocket was before it was launched, it had a similar speed as the main rocket, so it will be 0.8 c to 85 over 86 c. So if you are to calculate that energy, you'll find 4.9 mc squared will be the energy from 0.8 c to 85 over 86 c. Then if you are to calculate the energy the energy as calculated by S, that is an observer who measures the speed of the rocket to be 0.8 c. If you are to measure the speed of the mini rocket that according to the rocket's inertial reference frame will have 0.9 c in the negative x direction. So you will find according to s, the speed should be negative 5 over 14 c. So the energy used to launch this mini rocket from 0.8 c to negative 5 over 14 c, you'll get the energy as 2.7372. And clearly, this energy does not match the energy of the rocket's inertial reference frame. So that means if somebody is in that rocket, the energy that they would calculate for that mini rocket to attain the energy required to attain maybe a speed of 0.9 c according to him is not similar as an observer who is stationary, that is who measures the speed of the rocket to be 0.8 c. So the energy of the mini rockets, the energy used to launch the mini rockets is not similar. So that shows a contradiction in Einstein's special relativity theory. Make sure you follow me and subscribe to my videos so that I may show you further proof, two other proofs as to why the special relativity theory is wrong and there is a special reference frame in our universe.